Alright, today we're going to be deboning and removing the skin from this chicken thigh. First thing, we're going to flip it over and locate the only bone in the thigh, which is right here. Now, a boning knife is the ideal tool for the job. I don't have one, and maybe you don't either. So you want to use a knife that has a straight edge. You don't want to use anything serrated because that'll tear apart the meat. The first cut we make is going to be straight through the meat directly down to the top of the bone. We want to gain access so we have a better visual of the bone and we can trace around it. Once the bone is exposed, as you can see here, it's white against the pink meat of the chicken. You're going to basically shave, not really cut the meat from the bone. You want to make sure that your knife is running along the edge of the bone and is always facing in toward the bone so you're not cutting the meat. Slowly run your knife along the face of the bone, using it as a guide or a template. This is a very smooth process, and you're going to slowly shave the meat away from the bone face. Once you've shaved the meat off both sides and all the way around to the back, you're going to slip your knife up along the bone face and cut straight out. This is going to free the bone from one side, just like this. Use your knife to shave the meat down again off of the bone and work your way all the way down to the second joint. This side of the joint is a lot bigger. As you can see, it splays out a lot further. It's not any more difficult to cut, we just need to take our time. We're going to use the same technique and process that we did before, where we just take our knife and gently slide it along the face of the connective tissue and bone, allowing us to shave the meat off slowly as we work our way around. You're not cutting through any bones, and this shouldn't take any amount of force. With the bone removed, we simply flip it over, and you can peel the skin off just like you're opening a book. Now mine's stuck on this end, and I didn't really want to pull too hard, so I just gently shaved it off with the tip of my knife. You now have a boneless, skinless chicken thigh, and at a few dollars a pound cheaper than if you had your butcher do it.